Connecting a Dcent wallet is a straightforward process that allows users to securely store and manage their digital assets. To begin, ensure you have a Dcent wallet device and a computer with internet access. First, go to the official Dcent website and download the Dcent Bridge application, which is compatible with your computer's operating system. Once the download is complete, install the Dcent Bridge application and launch it on your computer. The application will prompt you to connect your Dcent wallet device to your computer using a USB cable. Make sure the wallet is unlocked and in the correct mode to establish a connection. After connecting the wallet, the Dcent Bridge application will detect the device and display its status. If the wallet is not detected, check the USB connection and ensure the wallet is properly unlocked. Next, create a new wallet account or restore an existing one using the seed phrase. It is essential to keep the seed phrase secure and private to prevent unauthorized access to your wallet. To connect the Dcent wallet to the blockchain network, select the desired blockchain from the list of available options. The Dcent wallet supports multiple blockchain networks, including Ethereum and Bitcoin. Once you have selected the blockchain, the Dcent Bridge application will establish a connection and synchronize your wallet with the network. After the synchronization is complete, you can view your wallet balance and transaction history. To send or receive digital assets, navigate to the Send or Receive section and follow the on-screen instructions. It is crucial to double-check the recipient's address and the amount of digital assets being sent. To prevent errors, best practices for connecting a Dcent wallet include keeping the wallet and computer up to date with the latest software and security patches. Regularly back up your seed phrase and store it in a secure location, such as a safe or a secure note-taking application. Additionally, be cautious of phishing scams and only download the Dcent Bridge application from the official Dcent website. By following these steps and best practices, you can securely connect your Dcent wallet and manage your digital assets with confidence. The Dcent wallet is a reliable and user-friendly solution for storing and managing digital assets, and its robust security features provide peace of mind for users.